Welcome back. Today, we are going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create the first draft of a professional book manuscript in under 24 hours using ChatGPT. Whether you're working on low to medium content books like prompt journals or workbooks, or even full-length nonfiction books, this video has you covered. Along the way, we'll also share important caveats about AI-assisted writing, so you can avoid creating low-quality books that won't sell. Or worse, damage your reputation if you're building a personal brand. We are helping entrepreneurs boost their authority, audience, and income with easy-to-create books like journals, planners, and more. Over 5,000 people have used my methods to generate passive income through low and medium content publishing. Let's jump into it, but first, let's talk about something crucial. Amazon KDP rules for AI-generated content. If you plan to publish your ChatGPT-created book on Amazon, you'll need to follow KDP guidelines. AI-generated content. If the content, text, images, or translations, is created entirely by AI tools, it's considered AI-generated. You must disclose this when publishing your book. AI-assisted content. If you use AI tools to brainstorm, edit, or refine content you created yourself, it's considered AI-assisted, and you don't need to disclose it. By adhering to these guidelines, you'll ensure your Amazon KDP account stays in good standing. Step 1. Define your topic and audience. First, choose a broad topic for your book. You can even ask ChatGPT for ideas. For example, I asked for pocket-sized book ideas about productivity for entrepreneurs. Within seconds, ChatGPT generated 15 options. I decided on Morning Momentum, a 21-day productivity challenge. To make the book resonate, define its purpose and audience. For instance, my book is geared toward professional entrepreneurial women and serves an educational purpose. Providing this context to ChatGPT helps it tailor content to your audience. Step 2. Create an outline now. Ask ChatGPT to create a chapter outline. For example, provide the book's title, purpose, and target audience. Request a detailed chapter outline. In seconds, ChatGPT generated a 21-chapter outline. Since I wanted a shorter, pocket-sized guide, I refined it into a 7-chapter structure. Each chapter was tied to specific days in the 21-day challenge. Step 3. Draft. Chapters begin drafting chapters one by one. Start with the introduction and let ChatGPT generate content. While the AI draft is often a great starting point, it's crucial to add your personal voice and experiences. This makes the book unique and engaging. For example, my introduction took just 30 seconds to draft. After reading it, I made edits to ensure it sounded authentic and aligned with my voice. Repeat this process for all chapters until you have a complete first draft. Step 4. Refine and enhance. After completing your draft, review each chapter for readability and flow. Add your personal anecdotes or intellectual property to make the content original. Use a plagiarism checker, like Grammarly, to ensure the content is unique. Additionally, you can ask ChatGPT to enhance your book with visuals, charts, or graphics that support the content. Step 5. Final touches. Before publishing, create a professional book cover. Ask ChatGPT for design ideas. Write an engaging book description and author bio. Consider adding a lead magnet to build your email list. ChatGPT is an incredible tool for brainstorming, organizing, and drafting your book. While it can save you hours of work, the best results come from combining its speed with your unique insights and creativity. Once your book is ready, you can watch my next video to learn how to turn a single book into a 6-figure online business. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. See you next time.